Kids, here is your EVS teacher. I hope you all are doing your study well. You all know we have completed first two topics of lesson 6, where in the first topic it is house and its kinds. The second topic, good house, and the third that we are going to cover today is occupations. Let's read it. Occupations helpers in a community. Occupation is a work or a job that one does to earn his living. To live peacefully or comfortably, the work that one does is the occupation. And they are the helpers in a community, means they help the community. So what is community here? A group of people who share the same thing. Take an example of occupation, that is teacher. Teacher is helping the community, that is students. Teacher is helping the students to gain the knowledge, guide them timely, and the students, that is community here, is also sharing the same thing, like how students are also sharing the same thing with each other. Whatever knowledge they have, they can pass to each other, so they are sharing the same thing. We have different places in our neighborhood, and many people work in those places. Take an example, like there are so many places: market, bank, temple, school, hospital, so many places, and many people work there to earn money. Occupation is also what? It is a work that one does. In a simple language, now what is here written? Occupation of a person is an activity, is a work that serves as one's regular source of livelihood. Yes, it is a work that one does to earn money. Some of the occupations are here, and there are the community places where these occupations are performed by the people. So community places like school, and what are the occupations here? Principal, teachers, clerical staff, cleaning staff, gardeners, etc. These all are the occupations here in the school, in the community place. Principal, the head of the school. Teachers teach the students. Clerical staff maintain the records. Cleaning staff helps to clean the place. Gardeners maintain the garden, take care of plants, okay? And many more occupations. Hospital, where there are doctors that treat the patients, nurses helps the doctor in the treatment, technicians check whether the equipments like machines working properly or not. Clerical staff collect the fees. Cleaners clean the place. Food services staff serve food to the patients. So here is a community place and the occupations performed under that place. Some other occupations are also carpenter, who makes furniture, cut the wood, give it a shape, Mason builds home, buildings with the help of cement, bricks. Painter paint walls, houses, buildings. Cobbler mends shoes. Barber cut hairs. Policeman catches the thief. Plumber repair taps. Pilot fly aeroplane. Architect makes design of a building. Farmer grow crops. Lawyer solve cases. Chef cooks food. Dentist treatment for our teeth. And so many occupations are there, and many occupations are dependent on each other. Like you can take example of the doctor. Here doctor is also dependent on the nurses. Farmers, they are dependent on industries for the fertilizers, for the manure, for their soil. So there are many occupations dependent on each other. And here you can see some more occupations also in the picture, like teacher, coach, that gives training to the for the particular sport. Fireman helps to put out fires. Postman deliver letters. So I hope so this topic is clear to you, where you got to know the different occupations and how they are helping the community, how they are helping the people. Thanks and have a nice day.